how to cancel MyFitnessPal premium subscription online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply open MyFitnessPal. You can use the app version or even the web version of MyFitnessPal, right? And from that web version of the application, you'll need to now make sure that you are logged into your account. Add in your credentials, log into your account. Then from there, now you'll be able to get your dashboard. So after logging into your account, now what you're going to do is you're going to now see a dashboard just like this. From here, what you should do is simply tap on the more option right here, or if you are not in your premium yet, you'll be able to see premium, right? So simply tap on that one, or you can tap on more, and in here you'll be able to see premium. Tap on premium, and then from there you'll actually be able to see the option of subscription settings. Tap on subscription settings, and then from there keep on scrolling until you find auto renew. Make sure to find auto renew and make its toggle button turn off. Tap on it and make its toggle button turn off, and that's all you need to do. Now you can save changes, and now your next month subscription won't be paid. So once the cycle ends, now you'll successfully be able to cancel your MyFitnessPal premium subscription online.